Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on Silk Almond Unsweetened Original. This is dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, so take a look at the ingredients. It is fortified, okay, so as you can see here, it contains calcium carbonate, so there's no sugar, 1 gram protein, not a lot of protein, so it's got an almond base, some lecithin, sunflower lecithin, so it's not soy, and it's made from a lot of fortified vitamins. Let's do a quick taste test for you guys. So almond milk is slightly thicker than the rice milk that you get. So if you look at that, it's a little bit thicker. And let's do a quick taste test. It has the nuttiness of the almonds and no sweetness whatsoever. So if you have any questions or comments, guys, post them below.